Bhagavad Gita. It is a conversation between Arjun and Lord Krishna during Mahabharata war. Lord Krishna becomes his mentor and gives direction to Arjun. Bhagavad Gita tells you how to live life. It gives you knowledge about what is right and wrong. It gives new direction to your life. It also removes all the confusions from your mind and builds your confidence. It gives you the power to overcome almost everything that is going around in your life. Bhagavad Gita is 5000 years old and it has 18 chapters. Let's see the summary of each chapter in this video. During Mahabharata war, Arjun is supposed to fight with his own brothers and relatives. This situation makes Arjun confused. He loses all his courage and hopes and foresees his failure even if he wins the battle. Lord Krishna listens to this confession made by Arjun. He guides Arjun and empowers him to make his own choices. In our daily life, we all face the situations wherein we feel powerless, helpless, and confused about the path that we must choose. Bhagavad Gita guides everyone to regain their confidence and choose the path that is right for them. It clears all the confusion of our life and shows us the clear path. Lord Krishna becomes the mentor of Arjun and guides him in the battle of Kurukshetra. Lord Krishna gives advice to Arjun to stay strong and remove all the confusion from his mind. He tells Arjun that this battle is his prime duty. In the war, winning or failure is uncertain. However, Arjun can only do his karma and give his best efforts. In our daily life, we should remove all the confusions from our mind and perform our duties and responsibilities. We should give our best efforts and do our karma. We must learn to handle our failures and success, as both can divert us. Arjun still doesn't want this war at all. Lord Krishna explains him about karma. We can only act and perform our responsibilities, but winning or failure is not in our hand. So we should not think about the end results. Only then we can focus completely on our responsibilities. In our life, if we keep thinking about the end result, we will be never happy, as the result is not in our hand. However, performing our duties is in our hand. Our karma will give us moksha in life. The reason for our happiness or sadness in life is our lack of knowledge. Our state of confusion, tension and stress is due to lack of knowledge. Knowledge is like a light and hence it is important to achieve it. Wise person never grieves for the living or dead person, as the soul is eternal. It is not created nor destroyed. Lord Krishna says intelligent person never waits for the outcome of his karma. They are free from anger, ego and greed. They devote themselves for the uplifting of society. Always notice one thing in life. Is it we who are doing everything? Or is it getting done by us through the ultimate powers? Our work is our God. Believing in God will always give us peace. Feel and enjoy the eternity. We should daily connect with the Supreme Power. We should not be too happy in our happiness and should not be too sad in our bad days. This way we can balance our life and live peacefully. Our mind can become our best friend or our enemy. It depends upon how we deal with it. We must learn to train our mind so that it can become our greatest asset, like reading good books and meditation. Our body is made up of 5 elements: earth, sky, air, fire and water. We should understand that there is supreme power behind all these 5 elements. And this supreme power is the source of power who gets things done. God is part of everything on this earth. God is not created and cannot be destroyed. We must learn to control all our senses like anger, greed, happiness, sadness. One who learns to control these senses, they can achieve Paramatma. And such people get moksha in life. They get rid of birth and death. We should always count on our blessings. God is present everywhere, even in the tiny little things. Believe in God. He is present from start to end. He is present from birth till death. Only through proper devotion we can see the supreme power. When we surrender towards holiness, we can see the reality. Lord Krishna says the act of prayer will always remain on top. We must devote our heart, mind and soul in the desire of God. Our body gets power from our soul and our soul gets power from God. We need to understand what are divine qualities and what are demonic qualities and ensure that we inherit all the divine qualities within us. Lord Krishna says that though God gets everything done from us, we are the decision makers. God has given us the power to think. So whatever we do in life, we are responsible for it and not God. The right way of living is to focus on divine. Wise person will always keep himself detached from the materialistic things, such as car, money, etc. Most of the people have good and bad both qualities within them. The right way to live life is to eliminate all the bad qualities and do the good work. This will make our life good, happy and peaceful. This chapter focuses on three qualities: Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. Sattvic food is one which is good for our health and we should consume this. Rajasic food is one which is fatty, bitter, acidic, like junk food such as pizza, burger. This will create diseases in our body. Tamasic food is one which is not cooked properly and is not good for our body, such as meat, liquor. We should stay away from this food. Rajasic and Tamasic food puts bad impact on our mind, body and health, whereas Sattvic food keeps our mind and body pure and healthy. We cannot wash away our sins. God will take care of everything. We must learn to move on and connect with God. Through proper devotion and surrender, we can connect with divine. Due to proper guidance and mentoring of Lord Krishna, Arjun is free from all the confusions. Now Arjun knows his responsibilities and he is ready for war. We all have come empty-handed and will go empty-handed. So whatever you do in life, do it with dedication to God. Do not worry without any cause. Whatever has happened, it is for good. Whatever is happening is for good. And whatever will happen, it will be for good. You didn't bring anything to this world. Everything you received, you got it from here. And you will leave everything here only. Change is the law of universe. Our body is made up of 5 elements: air, fire, water, earth and sky. Your body will disappear in these 5 elements. But soul is permanent. So dedicate yourself to God and you will be free from all the fears, worries, and sorrows. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications when I upload my next videos. See you soon.